Hey, it's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society. Today we're going to talk about diffuser care. How to clean your diffusers. Now, over time, our diffusers can build up a lot of gunk and residue inside of them, and it's a really smart idea. Since we're using these diffusers for an up-leveled way of health, they're dispensing those essential oils into the air and we're breathing them in. So it's important that we keep them clean. Now, this is something we should be doing every single month. So maybe set an alarm. You know, at the first of the month, you're gonna clean your diffusers, and this is how you can do it. Now, the two diffusers I have with me today are my two favorite ones that we use in my family all the time. The first one is the Petal diffuser. This is doTERRA's more affordable option that they have at $47 wholesale. I love it because it's low to the table and it's super easy to clean because it's so big inside of here. The second one is the Lumo diffuser. I love this one because it's beautiful and because it can go for 2, 5, or 10 hours. So I can set it at night and just let it run. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is just fill them halfway up with clean water. It wouldn't be real if I wasn't actually showing you that I'm filling up with clean water, right? Let's fill up this one too. I am so embarrassed to even show you. Look how dirty that diffuser is. It needs this cleaning so bad. Now that we have them both filled up, about halfway full of water, we are going to add 10 drops of white vinegar to them. There ain't no going small in this household. We shop at Costco. And we have over a gallon of white vinegar in our home. I'm not much of one to measure, I'm gonna tell you the truth, so I'm just gonna put just a little bit in. Cool. Now that we have the white vinegar in, we're going to close them up, plug them back in, and we're gonna turn them both on, let them run for 5 minutes to let that vinegar go through and clean all the pieces that the oils and the mist run through. And now, we wait. Now that these have been running for about 5 minutes or so, we're gonna turn these off. And I'm gonna go empty the water back in the bathroom sink. So now they're emptied out. What I'm gonna do now is just go a little bit deeper with that cleaning. I'm gonna take a little bit of vinegar from my monster gallon and a Q-tip. Take your Q-tip and then work it around the crevices inside your diffuser to really get it clean in all those corners, especially down in this right here. I'm just gonna very lightly clean that out. Guys, this is night and day difference. This diffuser needed it so bad. I am glad we are doing this video today. Okay, I finished scrubbing it. Take a dry cloth, a dry clean cloth, and just wipe it out. I am so impressed right now, it's so clean. Guys, check this out. Maybe I need to do a little side-by-side of what it was before. Look how clean it is now. And that's it, you guys. I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. This one isn't barely dirty, so it's not gonna need too much. I took a Q-tip, just kind of wiped down the pieces inside, and then I'm just going to dry it out and get anything else all cleaned up, you guys. Hope that helps. Hope you feel empowered to get those diffusers clean. Thanks for watching.